I request the blue house to get ready.
Nyasuk awya agiwan program kampam dan gini kiwa insen ya pi itna skor kiwalai hagani ke skor ini yang ngalek sekentina bentina ni mempuari pulang sibun dari kentin kam hari opor kampamnya pi itna skor siru bagi bayi pagi yang pi kiwa lang kampam kinalikai awawan bicaskor engkam di mana kesini? Wujud di ujian kenang wa yogi hati wominat yang ikam di wabon kampam kaki kure putih di yang pi. Dengan kuau sini di port, mereka kuau pun tu kejap. Dan kamu payah Mulai dari kepor, andai hadu kata-kata empam go bijingan di start. Hiji kena skor 2M hadir di generation 2 kali. Andai man di 2M hakam. Lada di minat di lada PM sabandi. Andai kepercayaan dan negeri kemarin mencak di kauman di kami itu di generation 2 idang ini. Kiwabun kiw cari belang cari masih. Kami gimit lagi yung dilong yung memri kiw cari masih nani gubuk belang nani kiwabun kam. Ya kita iti ihagi wan kiw penut korgi. Kami baik-baik tok kita yang yon dilong yung tamu emi ceskur. Ni yang keserkan ni yang government. Lapo ba nado kasus na mau bang kiw apa yang keskur. Siapa pun yang uang, hanya ni kepuar, betul ikna orang-orang yang kamu mulai seskur. Ekam ni dia competition, kepuar bahai cekmat. Yang hakiwan-wan, kepuasan dia ni mulai cekmat. Entah mana mulai seskur, kami yang mulai berdiam. Mulai seskur, kamu minat bahai, yang poli, ya hakiwan-wan THERESA'S yang ikut dimaksud yang bahai cekmat. Mawan di maksud itang apa saya? Jika kami kena skor harga yang biu beri generation ko kami di maksud kamta mana koi harga matrik nani koi hatual. Kamu yo cakmat yo skor dua anu di mulai hagiwan skor. Kami orang skor dapat kregi pada percentage. Lada imponya bausan berapa yo skor tang ucap formula. Tapi kena ngai ni kat teman lah. Hayar ini, hadu secondary school dapat kawaman KTM ba. Dua adalah secondary school kita pergi mana pagi hadu kanung school kita maksa kami juga di school kita bahas cuk.
See So we are going to start. One sheet here, and the topic that you get, you will be saying an extempo speech. You will be giving the speech on the topic, okay? And the first bell will be your starting time, the second bell will be the warning time, and on the last bell you will stop, okay? So please take your time. It will be for 5 minutes. Thank you.
Good afternoon, dear sisters, teachers, and all my dear judges and my friends. My name is Jingshlur, and I am performing from Yellow House. My topic is tourism. Tourism is the thing which we use to travel from one place to another. Without tourism, we cannot reach anywhere. When we want to go anywhere, like the British people, without planning, they cannot travel anywhere. Through tourism, they came from their state to our state to watch the hills, the rivers, and the valleys which present in our state.
Good afternoon to each and everyone present here, especially to our respected judges, sisters, and to the teachers, and to all my dear friends. My topic is punctuality. Punctuality means being on time and reaching on time in every situation. When we go somewhere, we should be punctual. So a punctual person is a disciplined person, and we must be punctual so that we will be being disciplined in anything. Thank you very much.
A very good afternoon to one all present here, respected sisters, daughters, and to all my dear teachers and friends. So my name is Savika Sumer, so I am from class 9. And the topic Miss Sarah I have got is about women's rights. So as we all know that in this generation, women already get their rights to do everything compared to the ancient periods. Nowadays, women get an opportunity to get educated, to go for vote, and to speak for their own rights, to fight for their justice, everything that nowadays women get. So this women right is very important because it encourages the women and it gives opportunity also for the women.
Good morning, good evening to you one and all present here, especially your dear respected judges, sisters, and to you all who are present here today. And my topic is leadership. Leadership is, for example, all of us, we have our own leader. For example, in the class, we have our leaders, we have our captains, and in the school. Leader is also mean that the person who stands in front and fight for the others. A leader means that a person who always stands strong.
Good evening to one and all present here. My name is Jingshlur. I'm from class 9. I'm representing from Yellow House. The topic which I get is honesty. It is the best one. It is the best respect that we live with honesty. Thank you on that. Good afternoon, everyone present here. My name is Jubanlak Chermang. My topic is newspaper. Newspaper is an essential part of our daily routine. It provides us It provides us with wealth of information about local, national and international news.
We all go to school to know our aims and to achieve our goal. But sometimes people at young age they don't achieve their goal because they are distracted from the surrounding, from the social media.
Sorry. Good afternoon to everyone present here. My name is Vidamon Puslain and I am presented from Blue House. And my topic is about internet. Internet is a vast network that connects computers through all around the world, and through internet we can share information and learn things from internet.
The first bell is for you to start the introduction. The second bell is the warning, and the third bell will be the time that you stopped. Okay? Got it? Okay, let us start with the greenhouse. Anyone can come?
Good afternoon to one and all present here, judges, teachers, and sisters, along with my friends. And the topic of my name is my best friend. So, as we know, all we know that in our life we are best friends. But for me, my mother is my best friend. And sometimes, yes, of course, we have our friends also. But most important thing in our life is mother, because they always support, and we take them as a friend. And for our school friends, even they always help us in studies and doing something good, them, teaching them, learning something good from them. And of course, even teachers, some students, like, they take the city as a best friend. So we, as a best friend, we should love everyone, we should respect them, and we should never give them some negative things. We always positive them because we love them. And if we love someone, we never want to hurt them. So as we are always friends, we were always humble to each other. And like our father also, even in our life, he's the most important, so we should take us as his friend sometimes. Because having fun with him also is like nothing. Because
Good morning, my dear respected sisters, teachers, judges and my dear friends. My name is Christopher. I represent from Yellow House. My topic is save water. We should save water so that our future generation may not face water security. Thank you.
Clap your hands for him. Blue House, come forward.
Good afternoon, everyone, especially sister, teachers, and judges. My name is Natesh Kamslet. I represent from Blue House. My topic is discipline. We should be disciplined, all of us.
Okay, he is Claire Chirma from Greenhouse and his topic is confident. Confident.
Good afternoon to you one and all present here. My name is Klaus Mang and I am representing from Greenhouse. And the topic that I got is confident. People like me coming here today is because I have some confidence. But you should not be overconfident in your life. Thank you.
Good morning to you all sisters, dear sisters, teachers, and my dear judges and my friends. My name is Roderick Linda. I'm present from Red House, and my topic is cleanliness. Cleanliness is one in which you clean your house every day and do your chores every day and make yourself clean and shine yourself every day. And even you have to shine your shoes because I am not shine, that's why. So I have to shine one day. One day I will shine, okay? Thank you.
Thank you so much, Roderick, for your speech. It It was such a very entertainment speech. Okay, next we move on to Yellow House.
My dear friend, my name is Banisha Sharma. I am represent in Yellow House. My topic is my hobby. My hobby is reading. I love getting lost. It's good book and escaping into different ways and character. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to you one and all present here. My name is Khynnah and I represent from Blue House. And the topic I get is aim in life. Everyone in here, present here, we all have aim in life. Even we also with a student, we have aim in life. We came to school because we want aim in life. And also, as a student, we have to chase for our aim. And then, not just to chase it, but also with hard work. If you don't have hard work, if you don't work hard, then you won't get your aim. And if you want to be success, you have to chase your aim. And also, I think we all here have aim. Some like doctors, scientists, engineer, teachers, and also, and if for example, if I want to be a millionaire, I have to be success. And from that job I have, if I work hard, then I will become a millionaire. And you have to think, from your aim in life, you will get that millionaire. If you want to be rich, you have to have a job.
Listen properly, your name, your class, your group, and your topic.
All the students, thank you so much for you have invited me in this special occasion, School Week. I'm very happy to be with you here today. Hello, Khynnah. Chào học đi và đi. Mà đồng hello on hi đúng không? Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Rồi, xem bao nhiêu mà. Ada con ucap. Jingshlur một kru ha. Mari psia sini hani haskul yang pi yui wa he pha ke building. He pha ke di skul. Yu om kat ni he ke skul man ke jingger ku wa khro bha ye ke chnong mi mentru. Ke jingger ku wa khro bha ye ke chnong mi mentru. But ye ke chnong yo marjan markhap ye ke ni ke chnong mi mentru. Kat kini kisah ku belai le ayu kerpangu, but the pau ini kisah ku nambah kini sister lengut songut nambah senyong ki kawan nakdo na kerala. Siapa bi untuk
on the first day, who is the leading house? Yes, we all know on the first day, green house is leading with 99 points, followed by the yellow house 45 points, and red house and blue house, they have scored 41. I'm so extremely sorry. On the second day, there is a tie. Two houses had scored the same points, and that is the yellow house and the blue house. She is Luciana Fedora Kapia from Greenhouse. And she is dressing up like a grace.
I am an apple. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. He is Aaron Suchiang from Yellow House and he is an apple.
Just have to
again from Yellow House. She is Clarissa Lindo from Red House, and she is a carrot.
My name is Lamakita. I am from Blue House. Vegetable is important for health. Thank you.
She is Damangika Rambai from Blue House, and she is a beans today. Her name is Bumpy Shala, again from 1B, and she is from Red House, and she is a tiger.
My name is Sammy the cat. I am in class 1B. I am a bee. Thank you.
It is Samiki the car from class 1B, and he is from Yellow House.
Good morning, everyone. My name is I am a rabbit. Thank you. And
is Rihok Ika Nongstu from Yellow House. And she dressed up like a giraffe.
Thank you.
She is Dae Piang Midakar from Yellow House. And she is a butterfly today. He is Dabjitni Power. He is from Blue House. And he is a Baba Black Sheep. Her name is Gloriaza Lily Terma, and she is from Red House. And today she dressed up like a dinosaur.
I am representing from Green House. I dress up like a Manipur dresses. Thank you.
She is Dafishela from Green House. And she dressed up like a Manipuri girl.
Respected teachers, teachers, and all my friends. My name is Dr. and I am in school. I am representing
My name is I am presenting from Red House. The dress that I am wearing was traditional Khasi, along with a coat and serving bag and paila. Thank you.
Thank you, Niwan Saleh, and she dressed up like a Khasi traditional dress.
Good morning, everyone. Respected teachers, judges, sisters.
judges, sisters, and my dear friends. My name is Roderick Linda, and I am dressing up as the first Prime Minister of India, that is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And I love children, all my countries. And I am a freedom fighter. Thank you.
This is Roderick Lindo from Red House.
Good morning everyone, respected judges, sisters, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Hafri Lamurang. I am from Greenhouse. I am Manikarnika, the great queen of Jhansi Lakshmibai. I was born on 19 November 1828. In Varanasi, I was found of shooting horse reading sword fight extra. I took my sword and faced British Army in the battleground. I laid down my life for the sake of freedom. On 1858, I will not leave my Jhansi at any cost. Go British, go. Here I came, the Jhansi Ki Rani. Thank you.
She is Hafiri Lamurong from Greenhouse and she is presenting as Jhansi Ki Rani.
Good morning everyone, respected judges, sister, teachers, and my dear friend to you all. My name is Idahuna from Pasley. I represent from Yellow House. I dress like Indira Gandhi. The slogan of Indira Gandhi is Garibi Hato Dish Basho, remove poverty, save the country. Thank you.
Pasley from Blue House. And who is he? Our freedom fighter, the father of nation, none other than Mahatma Gandhi.
Good morning everyone, my name is Dakani Dikhan. I am from class 5B. Teachers and to all my dear friends. My name is Inyora Amrin Song from Red House. I represented here as Mother Teresa. I was born on 26 August in 1910 in Macedonia. If we really want to love, we must learn how to forgive. Thank you.
She is Alura Amrin Song from Red House and she is our charitable Mother Teresa.
Good morning everyone, respected sister, judges, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Sresami Powa. I am represent from Yellow House. I am dressed like Patukan Sangma. Patukan Sangma was a Tibito Burman ethnic group from. Good morning everyone, respected judges, sister, teacher and my all dear friend. I am Sowan Miki Renklem from Greenhouse. I am dressed Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a great freedom fighter in India. Thank you.
He is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel of Freedom Fighters.
respected judges, sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends present here. My name is Jujana Chamang. I am represented Red House. Today I stand here dressing up as a panel-like, the first female freedom fighter of Khasi Hills. Thank you.
So she is panel-like, the first female fighter from Khasi Hills.
A very good morning to one and all present here, especially to you, the judges, sister and sir, and to all my dear friends and teacher present here. My name is Tingana Kimerten and I am representing from Blue House. I dress as Rani Lakshmi Bai. Let me tell you something about Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai was born in 19 November 1828 in the town of Varanasi. She was popularly known as Rani of Jhansi. She was the one and the first freedom woman fighter of India. She fought against the British in 1857. She is a symbol of courage, heroism, and woman power. Being dressed as a man, she died in June 1858 after being mortally wounded at the battlefield during the British counter-attack at Gwalior. Thank you.
Thank you, Tien Lang Ki Merten. It was a well introduction.
Good morning, respected judges, sir and teachers and all my sisters and all my friends. I'm dressed up as a Bhagat Singh and he used to say something in Hindi that I'm going to say right now. इंसानों को कैद किया जा सकता है तो उसके विचारों को नहीं. हमारा मकसद है आज़ादी, हम उसे पा कर रहेंगे. Thank you.
So he is Suraj Kumar from Greenhouse and he dressed up like Bhagat Singh of freedom fighters. So with this we come to the end of the group 5 fancy dress competition 2024.
Very well. I have seen that your standard, it is exactly the same as the standard of the urban student. As I have seen your performance on the stage, I have seen that the student in Shillong or in JOWAI also they are at the same level of your standard. So I praise the sister and all the teachers for the hard work that they have contributed so much to the school that within these few years I have seen that the school have developed so much and the number of students keep on increasing every year. So once more I would like to congratulate all the teachers for their hard work. Many times I used to say that you are working in Bosco school for free, but this is your hard work and dedication which bring a success to your student. So I hope that after few years, your school will be one of the most standard school in Janti Hills after not.
Good morning to you one and all respected sister, judges, and to you all my dear friends, and especially to our beautiful contestant. I myself, Inami the Kapasling, represented from Blue House. Through my creativity, I have made the dress through a plastic cover book. Thank you.
Everyone, respected judges, sisters, teachers, and to all my dear friends. I am Karambai. I'm from class 8. I'm representing from Blue House. My dress was making by plastic. Thank you.
Present here, especially respected judges, sisters, sir, and to all my teachers and friends. My name is Lily Mary Lamuray and I am represented from the Blue House. And my dress is made up from plastic. Thank you.
Morning to one and all are present here, respected sir, judges, teachers, and to you all my dear friends. My name is Nyawlemi Karen Clem. I am represent from Yellow House. The jacket that I wear is made by Saks. Thank you.
Everyone present here, respected sir, judges, sister, and to all my dear teachers and my friends. My name is Dasha Shila. I'm from class 9. I'm representing from Yellow House. My creative idea which I make is with natural flowers. Thank you.
I am a present from Yellow House. I am class 9. The dress that I wear is made by plastic. Thank you.
morning to everyone present here, especially for sir and judges. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Khynnah and I'm from the Red House. And this dress I'm wearing is made out of paper. Thank you.
Good morning everyone present here, respected sir, judges, sisters, teachers, and to all my dear friends. My name is Bosco. I am representing from Red House. Today I choose explain as my creativity. As we have seen that all people, they throw everything when they finish to use it. In my opinion, I must say that we can still reuse everything. Thank you. Especially for judges, sisters, and respected sister, judges, and sir. My name is Skul. I present here from Red House. I present here from the Red House. So the dress I was wearing today, made with a green leaf. So as which we are used to call it our local language as Islamurda. And also I dress a green leaf today because I want the environments to be clean. I want the environments to be clean.
Our sister, judges, and to all my dear friends. I myself, Increase Saleh, studying in class 8. And I am representing from Greenhouse. And see how I can make this dress out of the vertical beam. Thank you. Good morning everyone present here. My name is Lucia Pasley and today I am wearing as a bride. And my dress is made up of mosquito net. Thank you. Oh Good morning, Miss, and to all my dear friends. My name is Sakai Idika from class 9, and I am representing from Greenhouse. And this dress I wear is made up of plastic. Thank you.